Good morning class. In my last video I explained you about the integers, the first exercise we did of the integers chapters. So I hope that is cleared to you. Now moving on to the next exercise, that is exercise B. In this exercise I'll be teaching you how to show the addition and subtraction of integers on a number line. Okay, you know how to add or subtract the integers. That method we have to use. You will be solving it with that method only using BODMAS rule. But then after that you have to represent the answer, those addition or subtraction, on a number line. So we'll begin. I have taken a question. Here I have shown how to add the number first using a number line. I have taken one question from the book only. See, -2 plus 4. These are the two integers given in the question, -2 and +4. First what you have to do, whatever question is given, you have to solve it. Forget everything, number line, everything. First you solve it using BODMAS rule. Okay, means you have to open the bracket. This is -2 plus 4, and in -2 if you do +4 you will get the answer positive, that is 2. Why positive? Because 4 is greater. The greater number having a sign, that sign only is given in the answer. So your answer is 2. Now we will show this on a number line. You can see I have drawn a number line over here. Negative and positive, you have to show both the parts, the negative part and the positive part. Okay, and don't do like you are showing only one or two numbers. Okay, you are not showing a negative part if there is no negative integer in a question. The positive integer is given, you are taking only positive part. Don't do that. Number line you will draw full, complete, showing negative and positive portion both. Watch it very carefully and do as it is in your copy. Okay, so we'll begin. In addition, you have to remember some rules. Whenever you are adding a number and then showing it on a number line, we always start from 0. First you have to start walking from 0. So suppose first we are on 0. Okay, now what is the first number? -2. Means from 0 you have to come to -2. -2 is here. So from 0 first you come on to -2. Means now we are standing on -2. Now in the solution what we have done, we have added 4 in -2. Yes, -2 में हमने यहाँ पर 4 को प्लस किया है. Then only we have got the answer 2. So the same thing you have to show on the number line. We are standing on -2. We have to add 4 in it. One thing very important, whenever you are adding on a number line, always walk towards positive direction. This is the positive direction and this is the negative direction. When you are adding, always walk in a positive direction, and when you are subtracting, walk in a negative direction. Okay, we are standing on -2. We have to add 4 in it. So from -2 start counting the 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. You will directly stop on your answer if you are doing it correct, and show it by an arrow in which direction you have moved. You are on your answer by moving with the proper steps. And how many steps you have moved? 4 steps you can write, or 4 units you can write, and you got the answer. So in this way you have to show on a number line the addition. After doing this, don't forget to mark the arrows. All these rules carry marks, so please watch it very carefully and do as it is I have taught you. Okay, so these were the steps for addition shown on a number line. Now subtract using number line. This is your question, -2 minus -3. First step, solve the question as you solve it in the first exercise, as you do it in integers. Open the bracket, -2, same signs always gets added up. So +3, -2 plus 3 is your answer 1, because 3 was greater, so answer is 1. Now we'll show it on a number line. In addition, I told you that we always start moving from 0, but don't do that in subtraction. In subtraction, only keep 2 points in your mind. What? The integers given in your question. What are the integers in the question? which are given in a bracket. Okay, don't see the between sign. This sign is for subtraction or for addition. These are the integers. They can be either negative or they can be positive. So what are the integers given in the question? -2 and -3. So on a number line, you show only those two numbers. You will directly get your answer. Okay, -2 was the integer and -3 was the integer. Sorry, don't do this, sorry. -2 was the integer, and in this, what you have done in the solution, you have added 3 in it. Yes, -2 was your integer, so start walking from -2 only. You added 3 in it. As I told you in addition, what you have to move 3 steps in positive direction. Why? Because we are adding 3. Whenever we are adding, we walk in a positive direction. So start from -2. How many steps? 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. You will directly come on to your answer like this. So stop on 1, show the arrow. We have moved in a positive direction. And you have moved 3 steps, so you can write 3 steps over here. Okay, so in this way you can show the different subtraction and addition of integers on a number line. Let me take one more example of subtraction only. See, suppose you have a question 5 minus -3. So here what are the integers in the question? 5 is a positive integer and another integer is -3. First we have to solve it, as I told you. 5, same signs, minus minus always gets added. So 5 plus 3 is 8. Now draw a number line. One thing also, you will be drawing number line only using your scale and pencil. Please don't see that ma'am is drawing with pen. Don't do it. You have to draw it only using with a pencil and scale. Okay, first we mark 0. Show the positive numbers. Take equal divisions. Okay, in scale it will be easy for you. Okay, now remember how many numbers you have to draw. Sorry, you have to show. You have to show all those numbers which are in question and your answer also. You have 5, you have -3 and you have 8. So these numbers you have to show on a number line. Take 1 or 2 number extra. Okay, so -1, -2, -3, -1. So here I have shown all the numbers which are in the question. In the same way we'll do, since we are doing the subtraction question. So we'll not start with 0. We'll start with the first number, that is what? 5. So start moving from 5. Now how much you have to move? We have to move 3 steps more because we have added 5 and 3. And since we have added, so we'll be moving in positive direction. We are on 5, 3 steps more, 1, 2, 3. You will stop on your number 8. And that is only your answer. Show the arrow indicating that you are moving in a positive direction because we have added 3 steps. Okay, so you can write 3 steps more. Okay, so this is your answer or a number line which the question is asking. I hope class it is clear to you. There are questions given in your book in the exercise. Many are there. If you feel like there are less questions, so what you do, you can solve the examples also. Okay, but remember, only draw the number line using pencil and scale. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me by messaging me on WhatsApp. So till then, do study well.